Good morning, students. I hope you have enjoyed your vacation. This is your English class and this is your English teacher. Okay, so today we are going to once more revise the poem My Shadow. Yes, I have a little shadow written by Robert Louis Stevenson. My Shadow. Okay, so we are going to do some of the exercises and mainly the question answers and reference to contest, and let's revise it once more. Okay, let's start. First one is give one word for the following. Grows suddenly or quickly in one direction. What is the answer? Shoots up. Idea or an understanding of something. Yes. Notion. Small drops of water that form on the ground, leaves, etc. Dew. A wild plant with shiny small yellow flowers that are shaped like a cup. Butter cup. Being bad or naughty? Aren't. Yes. Now let's go to question number 2, that is give the antonyms of the following. Little, big, goes, comes, more, less, proper, improper, like, dislike, slow, fast. Okay, let's go to answer the following questions. What is the first question? Whom is the poet talking about in the poem? Yes, the poet is talking about his shadow. Where does the shadow go with the poet? The shadow follows the poet everywhere. Yes. What does the shadow do? When the poet goes to play, the shadow makes fool of the poet when he goes to play. Why does the shadow stay so close to the poet? The shadow stays so close to the poet because he is a coward. Last question. What does the poet find one morning? The poet found the dew on every buttercup, but his shadow was sleeping at home. Yes. So these are the 5 questions and the answers. Okay, children? Now, after the answer the following questions, what do we do in our copy? Yes, that is reference to contest. Let's see what is reference to contest. Question number 1. He is very like me, from the heels up to the head. Who is the poet talking about? Yes, the poet is talking about his shadow. Why is he like the poet? He is like the poet because it is his shadow. Yes. Question number C. Does he always look very much like the poet? Have you read the poem? Does he look very much like the poet? No, because the poet said, sometime he grows taller like an India rubber ball and sometime he grows so little that there's none of him at all. Now come to 2 number. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Who is him in the given line above? Yes, him is referred to the shadow. What is the funny about the way he likes to grow? Yes, the funniest thing about the shadow is he sometimes goes taller and sometimes there is none of him at all. Does he actually grow in a funny way? No, his size depends on the position of the sun. Let's go to the last one. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Who said these words and about whom? Yes, the poet said these words about the shadow. When did he stay behind? He is here, shadow. One day when the poet rose very early before the sun was up, he found his shadow did not follow him. Why did he stay behind? The sun wasn't up, so the poet could not see the shadow, and the poet thought that the shadow is sleeping at home, my lazy shadow. Yes. And then I've given you some words, children. You have to make sentences with that words. Okay. Take care of yourself, children. Stay home, and I hope you will get your answers for my shadow poem. Okay. Let's